Convert a Pandas DataFrame to a dictionary. I have a DataFrame with 4 columns. I want to convert this DataFrame to a Python dictionary. I want the elements of first column be keys and the elements of other columns in same row be values. DataFrame. Output should be like this. Dictionary.
The to_dict method sets the column names as dictionary keys, so you'll need to reshape your data frame slightly. Setting the id column as the index and then transposing the data frame is one way to achieve this. To_dict also accepts an orient argument, which you'll need in order to output a list of values for each column. Otherwise, a dictionary of the form index column value will be returned for each column. These steps can be done with the following line. In case a different dictionary format is needed, here are examples of the possible orient arguments. Consider the following simple data frame. Then the options are as follows. Dict, the default, column names are keys, values are dictionaries of index data pairs. List, keys are column names, values are lists of column data. Series, like list, but values are series. Split, splits columns /data/index as keys with values being column names, data values by row and index labels respectively. Records, each row becomes a dictionary where key is column name and value is the data in the cell. Index, like records, but a dictionary of dictionaries with keys as index labels, rather than a list.
Should a dictionary like be required out of a data frame like? Simplest way would be to do working snippet below.
Follow these steps. Suppose your data frame is as follows. 1. Use set_index to set ID columns as the data frame index. 2. Use the orient equals index parameter to have the index as dictionary keys. 'The results will be as follows. 3. If you need to have each sample as a list, run the following code. Determine the column order.
Try to use zip. Output